Look at the cover for next week's letter. Hey! Warren Lowe's got a cover for the one coming up in 2 weeks. Oh yeah. Hello! This is Sophie Dawson from sophiedawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books, magazines and comics. And what we're looking at on this one is issue number 47 of the ImagineFX magazine for September 2009. So let's go and have a look at this one. Billy the Bumblebee's been helping us go through all of the 2009 ImagineFX magazines, and last week we looked at this one, which was a Gothic art special. Absolutely brilliant. Another brilliant one that was. Lovely cover, but my favourite cover is still issue number 40. And I got a feeling that's gonna, well actually saying that, I mean Warren Lowe, that would have, I don't know whether I can count back covers as the covers of the month, of the my favourite cover. That is beautiful. Now I love the look at this cover here, but what about the front of it? Yay! I've seen this before. I love that. Issue 47. Wow. I mean, ooh, this is tough. These are both like 9 out of 10 covers for me. I suppose it depends what mood I'm in. I still want to say this one. Adam Hughes cover that was. But this is definitely going to be, well, this would be like joint first. If I could have a joint first, this would be a joint first. I can't do that though. I have to pick a favourite. I'll decide at the end of the year. What I like about this is the way they've also centred the ImagineFX logo as well. That is lovely. That is. So, hey, look, we've got the pencil drawing here. Look. How weird! Look, seeing that. Oh, I love that they've done that. Billy's let us in. Kisses for Claire. Kisses for Claire. Superman, look. This is what we've got coming up in this one. Batman. The art of Tommy Lee Edwards. Tommy Dickfingers. Huh. I don't know if you've ever seen what they're called. Max and Paddy. What you doing, you daft bastard? Max and Paddy. Tommy Dickfingers. Huh. It's cool, it is. This is the beautiful FX Pose section, look. Oh, look at the outfit she's wearing. She's wearing like a butterfly peacock outfit or something. And this one, look at that. I get so excited looking at the other artists' artwork. Like what I'm thinking to myself is, imagine if we're all inside of our own universes, and like each different person could be in their own universe. Like the imagination that we've got when you see these paintings, you've got to think to yourself that, look, Red Sonja. Yeah, Red Sonja. Cool. You've got to think to yourself that God, or if there's a collection of gods, would each have their own different imagination. And like, it's not impossible to me that we could all be in like infinite universes, in each sort of creation is possible that it could be an entire world. But hey, Bob Eggleton, it's his art studio. Oh, Bob Eggleton, the Bobster. He's like, I've got a load of his art books. Bob Eggleton, he does like dragon art and stuff. Cool, look at his messy art studio though. And he's got loads of CDs down there, music CDs. I didn't expect him to have a messy art studio like that. Lights everywhere as well. Look at all the adverts in here. Hey, letters. I said I'd read one. Should I read Oedipal Inspiration, Death Destruction? I'll read this one. Or should I read the star letter? Hungry for art. ImagineFX is more than a magazine to me. It is a sign. I'm from Hungary, a financially very badly supported country, and from a poor family. Let's get the violins out. No, not. I could work as an artist at home, but if you read the papers, you'll know that working in Hungary is not the easiest way of living. So I decided to go abroad, and I spent the first couple of years in Ireland. Top of the morning to you. And you know what happened? In Ireland, I brought a great computer with a Wacom A4 tablet and printer. Yeah, I was so happy I was, but I had no idea how to start. And then you, my friends, were published for the first time. Scottish. I still remember standing at the newsagent, and I couldn't believe my eyes. That was not an accident, nor a coincidence. There is a way given to us all, and God, faith, or whatever you want to call it, gently, patiently leads us in the right direction. How beautiful is this? I can't tell you how much ImagineFX means to me. It gives me hope to keep it up and chase down my dream, and at the same time it challenges me at the stunning works created, and it makes me want to do it better. Now I live in England, yay! I hope to get into a good course, and I will not give up. I mean, you can't find a dream in every corner, can you? ImagineFX is my little bottle of water on this long journey. And that's by, look, what you want to do is look for that, Google that name and see if they've become a successful artist. And Claire says, it's letters like this that make me proud to be part of ImagineFX, and I'm sure it will inspire others too. Yeah. Oh, I'm so glad I read that one. That's beautiful. Look, I like that. That was in one of the previous issues. That is actually a beautiful letter, that is. Here's the artist's Q&A. I like the style of those. Eyes. Eyes are the best. Hey look, the art of Tommy Lee Edwards. Tommy Dick Fingers. That is lovely, that is. I love stuff like that where it's really simple. Hey look, they did Star Wars as well. And Harry Potter. I'm a wizard, Harry. Doctor Who. Indiana Jones. God, these are like a proper professional. The sketchbook of John Tuckler. Look at that. I love that. I've got a big burp that wants to pop out. Look at that, look, I've got the hiccups now as well. I love this sketchbook. See, I'd like to look into this artist to see what they're doing. There's their website address, look. johntracklerart.com. Artist portfolio of Daniel Livsky. I like this. I wonder who that is. If that's whoever that is called Lucy. She's nice. Monsters. Humans. Ships. This artist can do everything. Traditional FX Pose section. I do like this bit. I can't wait to see that. Look the whole thing, look. And you've got the DVD, it'll be on. Oh, that's probably where. No, it's not. I was going to say, I thought maybe. That's where I've seen that cover before somewhere. It's absolutely beautiful, this is. Demonic creature concepts, look. He's not scary enough for me. He feels a bit too playful or something. The nature of fairy art. This will be a nice one to read. Futuristic military tech. See, for me that sounds boring. You'd still read it though, but it's... What's this here, look? Visualise a giant robot. Ah, look at little people. Huh. Yeah, I remember reading about that before. When you put little people in, that really creates the scale. Because without those little people, you don't know how big it is. That's what she said. No. No. That's the cover from issue 1, that is. Marshall Vandriff's Animal Anatomy Part 3, look. Drawing hind legs. He's doing a little 6-week workshop on animal anatomy. Next week we've got forelimb. Hey, you see that? I've actually sketched that in one of my old sketchbooks. Yeah, I love that little sketch. Next week we've got this, look, and that's the back cover. I wonder what the front's going to look like. That is such a funky cover. Sketching techniques. And these are the old reviews, look. Anime Studio Pro. I wonder if I bet most of these softwares don't exist anymore. Expose, look. I don't remember any of those films. I like that pose. And that's it. Boing! That was another brilliant one. A really brilliant one, that. Lots of very sexy characters in here. Yeah, I think for me, I like the artwork in this one. I was issue number 47 of the ImagineFX magazine for September 2009, and now we're getting into this one next week. I'm looking forward to this, and these little balls are slippery. Some of it's slippery and some of it's like a matte finish. Look. Hope you enjoyed this one. What a beautiful cover that is. Look, butterflies. We got wings. She's got wings and Billy's got wings. I hope you enjoyed this, and I shall see you later for another one. He's trying to, he hasn't used his wings before, you see.